Hello, students. In this session, we will look at the root of neck. This cadaveric illustration highlights the structures located in the root of the neck. The root of the neck refers to the region situated just above the thoracic inlet. In this prosection, the sternohyoid, sternothyroid, thyrohyoid, thyroid gland, and the clavicle have been carefully incised to reveal the underlying structures. On the left side of the dissection, the scalenus anterior muscle can be clearly identified. In the midline, the thyroid cartilage and the tracheal rings of the root of the neck are visible. Several major vessels are seen in this region. The right and left common carotid arteries are clearly exposed. The right common carotid artery arises from the brachiocephalic trunk, while the left common carotid artery originates separately from the arch of the aorta. The subclavian artery can also be seen, divided into three parts by the scalenus anterior muscle. Lateral to the common carotid artery lies the internal jugular vein. The inferior thyroid vein crosses over the right common carotid artery just above the jugular notch. Important nerves are also present. The supraclavicular part of the brachial plexus is visible, and the phrenic nerve is seen coursing over the anterior surface of the scalenus anterior muscle. Thank you for listening to this module. See you in the next video.